everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you and we are going to tackle my makeup collection. Over the years I did manage to collect quite a good amount of makeup, and mostly because I was doing the makeup videos on YouTube, but because I'm not doing that anymore, I noticed over the time that I'm not using it, and it just takes up a lot of space and it just probably goes bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull everything out from the drawers in here and put them on my bed and sort each one and see what I'm keeping and how I'm going to put it all back into the drawers. So if it's something you're interested on, please go ahead and keep on watching. So this is what I'm working with. It may not be like the makeup collections you see on most YouTubers, but for me it's still way too much than I actually need. So I am going to go through everything, and I think I'm going to do 3 piles. A pile that I keep, a pile that I'm going to get rid of / donate or give to friends or family, and one pile that I might keep or I might not keep, so I'm a bit undecisive about it. But yeah, this is what I'm working on, and then I'll go back and organize everything back in the drawers. So yeah, let's start decluttering some makeup. Okay, so now all the sorting is done, and that pile in there, it's what I'm keeping, and it's mostly foundations, primers, powders, and some palettes and bronzers, highlights, something like this. That pile in there, it's going straight to the bin. And these ones in here, again, I'm going to keep it: eyeliner, lipsticks, mascaras, and this pile in here is what I'm going to donate or give away. So now I'm going to move on and put everything back in the drawers. And yeah, I did get rid of quite a few products, so I'm really happy about it. So now I cleaned up all my trays and drawer inserts, so I can organize everything back together. And yeah, let's put everything back in the drawers, and then I'll walk you through what I've put where I've put. So now I'm going to walk you through how I put everything back in the drawers and how I organized everything. And let's start with the first drawer. I have in here 2 powders, 3 primers, and a Prime and Fine fixing spray. Here I have foundations, BB cream, and concealers, and 1 sponge. So that will be the first drawer. Then next on the second drawer I have bronzers, highlighters, and blushes. In here I have a cream bronzer, I have 2 powder bronzers, highlight, blushes, and more highlighting products. And I also kept in here this one, and I have one in the back. It's just to keep this one more stable in here, and in case I'm buying something new that I want to use, I'm gonna pop that in there. In the third drawer we have eyeliners in here and liquid eyeshadows, and we also have liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, and my lip liners. And then in this drawer in here, it's all the palettes I kept. Before I could not fit them in a small drawer like this, so I'm really happy I only kept what I'm actually using. So yeah, and there is one more drawer, and it's this one here where I have eyebrow stuff and tools and lashes and mascara tools, and this is my eyebrow tint, I think it's called. Yeah, so that's it. So that's it for today's video. I know I got rid like almost or even more than half of my makeup, but realistically I don't use that makeup every day. I don't even wear makeup every day, as you can totally see now. So yeah, I'm really happy with how everything came out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the organization like this or not, because I do have some space left in some of the drawers that's not used properly. So the whole point of today's declutter was to get rid of makeup and fit everything in less drawers, but we're on the right way. I already got rid of a lot of makeup. But yeah, if you like videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!